Have you ever wondered what a disposition date really means? Let's explore this important term together. A disposition date is the scheduled time when a case or document is set to be resolved or closed. It marks the official endpoint in many legal and administrative processes. For example, in court cases, the disposition date is when the final judgment or settlement occurs. According to the American Bar Association, tracking these dates is crucial for case management efficiency. In document management, disposition dates determine when files are archived or destroyed. This helps organizations comply with regulations and manage storage effectively. Understanding disposition dates can improve how we track progress and maintain compliance. It's a key part of organized workflows in many industries. Now that you know what a disposition date is, consider how it impacts your daily tasks and deadlines.